Science time with Dr. Fahy. Hello, Dr. Fahy.
Hello.
And hello, new apartment. So today's question is, can you explain what E equals mc squared?
So E equals mc squared is a consequence of Einstein's theory of special relativity. So Einstein came up with a theory that showed that to try to reconcile observations of light and some observations of electromagnetism, you can show that there's a maximum speed limit to the universe. That's the speed of light. And what consequences this has is changing fundamental things like what is energy, what is momentum, and sort of everything like that. So you had to rework all of mechanics of how things move because of there's this new speed of light. And one of the consequences is that the rest energy of any massive body is E equals mc squared. So this is a little interesting because what is this m and what is this e? So it turns out this is the rest energy of a massive object will be proportional to this. But this is actually not the full equation. This is what's popularized, but the real equation is E squared equals mc squared plus pc squared. Usually it's just written as E equals mc squared because if you have no momentum, so this is momentum, so if momentum is 0, so nothing's moving, then you've got E equals mc squared. So that's the energy something has if it's not moving at all. But things that move have more energy. So it's really written like this. So E equals mc squared is not the complete equation, except this is important because something that people always get confused about is how does light have energy if E equals mc squared, but light doesn't have mass. So if in the other case, rather than in the case where things aren't moving, where you have E equals mc squared, if you have that's the case where there's no momentum, you also have the case where you don't have mass, and then you're left with E equals pc. So the full equation is actually this. That's what Einstein would have written down, and this is a simplification. But the simplification has consequences because it means just having mass means you've got energy. And that's where sort of nuclear physics comes in, because people found a way to convert a lot of mass into energy, and it's proportional to c squared, where c is a very, very fast speed as far as the numbers and the units that we usually use. So you get a lot of energy if you can convert mass directly to energy, which is why this form is what's popularized.
Okay, and that was science time with Dr. Fahy.